You may have never seen a waterfall, but you've seen water fall from your own eyes, in moments where words couldn't carry, when silence becomes louder than a scream. The heart breaks open, and the eyes become a waterfall. They show what words cannot say, what pride tries to hide, what pain refuses to forget. Tears are a reminder of our vulnerability. We cry when we lose, when we heal, when we remember, when we feel too much to contain inside. Crying isn't a flaw, it's a function. It's how the heart breathes when it's suffocating in silence. 'Cause when words fail, tears speak.